We can set styling preferences for our stories at the story level so that pages, charts, maps, and other objects use consistent formatting. For example, the objects in this story have been formatted manually. When we create a new page with a chart, we can see that the page background is set to the default of no color, and the chart has the default color palette applied. In the preferences, we can define settings for pages and tiles. Here, we'll apply a color to the background of Canvas pages. And define the width and height of the page. Note the other available options for Canvas and responsive pages. We can also define settings for each different type of tile. For example, we can choose a different palette for our charts. Note that we can create our own color palette here to apply to charts and other objects. Refer to the video on custom color palettes for details. Note the other options available for each type of tile. For the preferences we define, we can choose whether to apply our changes only to new pages and tiles or to all existing pages and tiles. Based on our choice, the existing pages have not changed. However, if we create a new page and add a chart to it, we can see that our preferences for page color and size and the color palette for the chart have been applied. Note that these preferences can be overridden for each object if desired. All the formatting options are still available in the Styling tab. Thanks for watching.